Now let's look at logical flow formats, which help organize your presentation in a clear and structured way. First up, the sequential format is ideal for step-by-step processes, like walking through the phases of a clinical trial, from recruitment to the final results. In the categorical format, you group information by themes. For example, you might organize your content into sections like efficacy, safety, and patient feedback. Cause and effect works well for clinical data, showing how one factor leads to an outcome. You might explain how a drug's mechanism improves survival rates. The comparison and contrast format highlights what sets your product apart, such as fewer side effects compared to existing treatments. Pros and cons allows you to present both benefits and limitations. For instance, you might show strong efficacy while also addressing cost concerns. And the chronological format helps you present developments over time, like a product's journey from discovery to regulatory approval. Each of these formats offers a different way to guide your audience through your key points. The right one just depends on your content, your goal, and what will be most intuitive for your audience to understand.